Finally, to this point, I'm going to do a rough assembly of it, and to make sure it fits, to make sure that all of this has finally worked. And that'll probably be all that's done to it until after Christmas, because there's not really time to finish. I might actually glue it up, but we'll see. If I do that, I'll do that later today. I'm going to do it right now. It's Christmas Eve, other stuff to do, and but hopefully this is going to come together. So let's see what happens. It worked. Wow. Just goes to show you, you should endeavor to persevere. There's another quote. Cookie for whoever identifies that one too. Wow. Not even sure what to say now. I'm just so relieved that it came together. There's more to finish, but it's just details. Oh, time to relax and go enjoy some family time. You guys are probably seeing this after Christmas, so I'm going to say Merry Christmas now and Merry Christmas retroactively. God bless you all.